In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an hour meter on a Toro zero-turn lawnmower. Coming up right now. Hey everybody, Rudy here from Take a Bath Productions with another video showing you how to fix various things. Today I'm going to be installing an hour meter on a 2020 Toro Time Cutter Zero Turn. Please see the description below if you want to see the part number, and I'll also provide a link there so that you can see the hour meter. Although you may not have a 2020 Time Cutter Zero Turn, this meter is supposed to fit 2011 and newer Zero Turn models. Although there may be some variations on location and where the wire is and stuff like that, but the basic installation should be about the same. There is something that I want you to note before you go ahead and do this and think that it doesn't work. When you install the hour meter and you want to test it to make sure it does work, you must be sitting in the seat on the lawnmower to make the hour meter run. The switch on the seat activates the hour meter, and it's not going to count unless you're sitting on the seat. Alright, so let's dive right in. So this is going to be a real easy job for you. You don't need to take the lawnmower to a shop. It's literally a 5-minute job. To install something that it really should have came with in the first place, since most other manufacturers give you an hour meter. Alright, so that's enough ranting about that. But anyway, we got this control console right here, and it comes off with just this one screw. I do have the seat flipped up, not so I can get to this, but so that I have room to actually flip this thing over and access the places that I need to. So I got the screw out, and this literally just comes out that easy. And flip this over, and right here is where the hour meter goes. So take your razor knife, a sharp razor knife, and cut this out. Just like so. You can probably do this from the top side also, but I wanted to be able to make sure I got the cut exactly where I wanted it. And I'll go from the top and finish the cutout. Just that simple. Alright, as you can see right here, I'm back here on the panel side again, and here's the wiring harness. They have the wire for the meter taped right alongside here. So just undo the tape. Just like that. So you're going to want to pop the meter in the hole, making sure the numbers are going to be readable from when you're sitting in the seat instead of upside down. Now this meter fits very tight in the hole, so just be patient with it and work it in there very slowly. Alright, I got it down in there all the way. And it's really just as simple as flipping this back over and hooking the wire up. Flip it back over so you can see what you're doing. And just hook the wire back up. Now you got a third pin here, but there's no wire for that, so just hook these two up right here. And push it down on there. And that's it. And don't worry about this pin right here. And put it back together, just like you had it. Put the screw back. And you're done.